3 times 3 is 9. 9 times 3 is 27. 27 times 3 is 81. Okay, so whenever you see negative, first thing in your mind should be flip it. And then you solve it. Okay, let's try D. 5 to the negative first over 5 squared. That's where Dad wasn't paying attention last hour. So, we have a negative exponent, so we have to do what?
Why don't we just subtract them first?
Let's subtract them, right? So we get, what is negative 1 and 2?
Negative 1 minus 2. If you have negative 1 and you take away 2 more, you want me to take away 2 more, how much do you have?
No, it's 2 and 1 though.
Negative 1 and 2, right? It's negative 1
so it's
minus 2.
Okay. Yeah, you're right. Look at this, guys.
So write that next to the 5. So 5 minus 1 minus 2. That's how you got to write it on your paper. And then it'll make it easier for you. So what is it? Negative 1 minus 2. You owe me $1, you borrowed 2 more, you owe me how much? 3. So it's 5 to the negative third.
Now we can't have a negative exponent, so what do we
Now
have to
you
do?
I just said it.
What do we have to do? Flip it. So instead of 5 over 1, it's now 1 over 5 to the third. What is 5 to the third? What is it? 125. What?
It did become here. But that is subtraction. Okay? Because when we have a quotient, we have to subtract the exponents. So we go negative 1 minus 2.
Let's do one more like this, a division one, okay? I'm adding one, so make this E on your paper. How about if we had 6 over 6? How about that? What do we have to do? We have to take it away. So let's write it as 6. And then what's 6 take away 2? Is 4, right? So what's 6 to the 4? Who's got a calculator? 6 carry 4 is what? Okay. We're going to do 2 more very similar to your homework. We're going to do one homework problem with you, and then one that's going to be kind of similar. Would be 40 and 62. Okay. So somewhere on your paper, we're going to do, on your notes, put down number 40. I'm doing 40. Even though you don't have to do it, it's like 36 on your homework. So if you can do this, you can do number 36. Okay, number 40 is... This is number 40.
I don't know why you're trying to look right now. She's doing a problem on the board. You should be seated. I don't know why you're turning things in. You're doing homework. Go sit down. She's doing a problem. Pay attention. Stop writing each other notes and flashing them across the room.
Hey,
Pay attention to what she's doing.
this is going to be similar to 30. Guys, stop talking. It's going to be similar to 36. We have to do what's in parentheses first. So, what's in parentheses? What's 4 times negative 3? Negative 12. So I've got negative 12 taken to the negative first. I can't have a negative exponent. What do I have to do? Flip it, right? So now it's 1 over... Is that right? Did I do it right? Yes. So now it's negative 1/12. Taken to the first power, right? It's going to be positive 1, but anything to the first power is itself. Do you guys see that? Now I'm going to do, this one is part of your homework, so you should do this with me. It's 62. Did you, I'll bring it back down. I'll bring it back down. I will bring it down. Number 62, this is part of your homework. 1 over 4x to the negative 5. what do I have to do? I have a negative exponent. What do I have to do? Flip it. So it becomes 4x, right? You put it
what?
to the what power? But now I have to go like this, don't I? So what is 4 to the 5th? 625? And then x to the 5th. Okay? Yeah?
No, I think I did it.
I think you did it wrong.